Felix, take good care of Poindexter.
Where are you going, Professor?
On a motor trip.
Goodbye, Professor.
Farewell, Uncle.
Well, Poindexter, looks like I'm stuck with you. Hey, what's in that bag?
Nothing, Mr. Felix. Only my little atomic jet pusher.
Oh, just a toy.
Flash! This is Space Station 9X7Z. A giant meteor is plunging to Earth. Attention, the path of the giant meteor is 7 east by north-northwest, latitude 46.2 degrees. Velocity, darn fast.
Bad news, Mr. Felix. The meteor is heading straight for this laboratory.
We'll be smashed.
To smithereens, Mr. Felix. But we can handle this. With my little atomic jet pusher, we can push that rock right out of the solar system.
Sounds great, Poinsy. But how are we going to get up there?
In my little flying saucer. Now let's get going. We're off. There is the meteor now.
Good. Let's land on it.
And now we'll attach this.
I'll take that, young man.
Yipes! The master cylinder! So you sent that meteor plunging to Earth.
Look out!
Yes, and now you are my prisoners.
You can't do that to Mr. Felix.
You tell him, Poinsy.
What now, Mr. Cylinder?
I need a scientist in my laboratory. And you'll do.
But what about me?
You're going back to Earth, but fast.
Well, how about this claw?
Claw? Oh, that. I've got 1,000,000 of them.
We're gonna hit the Earth. And when we hit, brother! Mr. Cylinder trapped me with his claw on this meteor. I gotta get loose before we crash. If I could only relax this metal claw. Metal claw? I'll use metal telepathy. I'll concentrate on it. It worked! I'm free! Now I must get away. Poindexter's flying saucer. Well, the Earth is saved. But what will I do with this hunk of rock?
Where are you taking me, Mr. Cylinder?
To the moon. Well, we're home.
Home to you, Mr. Cylinder. But what about me?
Make me a nice, practical anti-gravity generator.
A little laboratory? For me? Very well, Mr. Cylinder. It's ball to test it. The Meteor.
A bullseye! Huh? Poindexter!
My flying saucer.
Hiya, Poindexter! Are you all right?
Of course, Mr. Felix.
Come on, let's get out of here. Hurry, Poindexter. It's time for your Betty Bye.
And my cup of warm milk, Mr. Felix?
Oh, boy! Home! The doorbell! The professor! What's happened?
You sprouts wouldn't understand. While you were home safe and sound, I was out in traffic.
Boy, what a swell day for gardening. I hope the professor won't bother me today.
Felix is so wrong. Of course I'll bother him with my latest invention. Now I can turn into anything instantly. Now it will be easy to get the magic bag from Felix. And Felix won't ever know what happened. I shall turn into a rose bush.
Say, that rose bush looks like it needs water. There, it needed a good soaking.
That Felix, he dampened my efforts again. I'll get the bag while his back is turned.
Oh, rain! Hey, where's my bag? Oh, there it is.
Of all the dumb luck. Ah, that's Felix. But I haven't given up yet. I've got to get that magic bag.
It was only a little shower. Well, back to work. Now to roll the lawn. Am I pooped? I need a rest. Say, I never noticed that easy chair before. Yow!
At last, I have Felix's magic bag.
Gosh, I'm sinking in quicksand! Help! Help me! Help! 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 I'm stuck in the quicksand!
Felix is sunk, all right. I've got his magic bag. And I got it because I can change into things. Instantly.
I've got to get out of this. Oh, boy, if I can reach up to that wire... My magic bag! It's gone! Maybe the professor got it somehow.
Uh-oh, Felix got out of the quicksand. He suspects me, but I'll throw him off the track.
That was clumsy of me. Say, what kind of a tree is this?
Yow!
My magic bag was in this goofy tree. That tree is chasing me. It's gaining on me. Why, it went by me. It's coming back. I'm getting mad. I'll cut you into firewood.
Yow! It's a saw! I'll turn into a big boulder. He'll have a tough time getting rid of me.
Wow!
He's not getting anywhere. Felix is helpless. I'm heading for the laboratory.
Well, I got rid of that rock, and the professor wasn't around at all. Come to think of it, I haven't seen him lately. I wonder how he is. I'll bring him some flowers. He might be sick. Professor, whatever happened to you? I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I'm the one that should be sorry. You Felix, you.
So, it was you who gave me all that trouble. I might have known.
Yow! Yow!
There goes Felix and Poindexter. And they have just what I want. The atomic drive.
It's the master cylinder. Let's get out of here, quick! He's getting closer.
I've captured Poindexter and Felix. And now about that atomic drive in your saucer. Hand it over.
Hand it over, Poindexter. He's got us.
17 million kilowatts. Too small for me.
Then we'll go home, Mr. Cylinder.
Home? Yes. After Poindexter builds me a giant atomic drive.
Build it? Here?
Certainly. There's the laboratory. Now get going.
The Master Cylinder spaceship, and it's going to crash, and with Poindexter in it. Poindsy! 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 Uh-oh. Looks like the Master Cylinder is knocked out. Poindsy! 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 Good old Poindsy! You made it!
Of course, Mr. Felix. Why not?
Huh? Why, it's the professor! He's going to save us! He made it!
Poindexter, do you know your dinner is getting cold back on Earth? You better hurry.
Uh-oh. It's the Master Cylinder again.
Nobody gets away from the Master Cylinder. Come back!
Hurry!
Uh-oh! Company!
A message for you, Mr. Felix. From my uncle.
Dear Felix, let's be friends. Be my guest for the weekend, and you'll see I can be nice. The Professor. P.S. Bring your magic bag.
Don't trust him, Mr. Felix.
But an offer of friendship. I'll go. My magic bag will protect me.
Now that I have the magic bag, I will be as great as my famous ancestor. 700 years ago, he ruled the world with magic.
Go to the invention room, quick!
The Professor's time machine. Say, I'll set it back and start the day over.
Aha!
Oh my gosh, I went back 700 years.
Who art thou?
Felix the Cat. Who are you?
Egad, a talking cat from the future. Just perfect for my experiments.
No thanks. I'm leaving.
I am the greatest wizard of the 12th century.
Greetings, Felix. Thou art in trouble, art thou not?
How do you know?
My crystal ball, observe. I see the future. Future relative. The professor captures thee and steals thy magic bag. Then thou triest to escape on his time engine. But thou windeth up in this century.
But how do I get back? Of course! The wizards won! So long, Junior!
Good to see you, Felix. Yours? Oh, you're such a dear friend.
You changed history, Mr. Felix. We haven't had any villains in the family since he lost his magic wand 700 years ago.
This one?
Oh, does it work?
Sure.
Money! Say!